Hello and welcome to the Piping Academy, where piping excellence begins. Ever wondered about the hidden heroes that keep our pipelines running smoothly? Today, we're diving into the world of pipe fittings. These small but mighty components play a crucial role in various industries. From oil and gas to water treatment, piping fittings are the unsung champions of fluid transport. So grab your hard hats and safety glasses as we explore the types and applications of piping fittings. Let's get started! First, let's define what piping fittings are. Simply put, they're components used to connect straight pipe sections, adapt to different sizes or shapes, and control the flow of fluids. Now, let's break down the main types of piping fittings. First fitting will be elbow. Elbows are used to change the direction of pipe flow. They come in different angles, with 45-degree and 90-degree being the most common. For example, a 90-degree elbow is perfect for turning a corner in a tight space. Elbows can be further classified as long radius or short radius. Long radius elbows have a gentler curve, reducing friction and pressure loss. Short radius elbows are more compact but may cause more turbulence. Second fitting will be T. T's are T-shaped fittings used to create branch lines from a main pipeline. They have one inlet and two outlets, or vice versa. T's are essential in distributing fluids to different areas of a system. For instance, in a water supply network, T's help distribute water to various buildings or floors. The third fitting will be couplings. Couplings are used to join two pipes of the same diameter. They come in different types. Slip couplings simply slide over the ends of two pipes. Compression couplings use gaskets and nuts to create a tight seal between pipes. Fourth fitting will be reducers. Reducers are used to connect pipes of different diameters. They come in two main types, concentric and eccentric. Concentric reducers have a symmetrical shape and are used in vertical pipes. Only eccentric reducers have an offset shape and are used to maintain proper flow in horizontal pipes. Fifth fitting will be unions. Unions allow easy connection and disconnection of pipes without rotating them. They consist of three parts, two end pieces, and a nut that joins them together. Unions are particularly useful in areas where maintenance or replacement might be needed. Sixth fitting will be flanges. Flanges are disc-shaped fittings used to create strong, removable connections. They're bolted together with a gasket in between to create a seal. Flanges are commonly used in high-pressure systems or where frequent disassembly is required. Seventh fitting will be caps and plugs. Caps and plugs are used to seal the end of a pipe or fitting. Now that we've covered the main types, let's discuss some applications. In the oil and gas industry, piping fittings are crucial for transporting fluids from one place to another place. High-pressure flanges and specialized alloy fittings are often used to withstand corrosive fluids and extreme temperatures. In water treatment plants, various fittings are used to direct water through different treatment stages. T's and elbows help create a maze-like system for optimal treatment time. HVAC systems rely heavily on reducers and elbows to distribute air efficiently throughout buildings. In the food and beverage industry, sanitary fittings are used to maintain hygiene standards. These fittings often have smooth internal surfaces to prevent bacterial growth. When selecting piping fittings, several factors need to be considered. Material compatibility with the fluid being transported is crucial. For example, stainless steel fittings are often used for corrosive fluids. Pressure rating is another important factor, especially in high-pressure systems. Temperature resistance should be considered for extreme hot or cold applications. Cost and availability can also influence the choice of fittings. Let's talk about installation best practices. Always ensure proper alignment when installing fittings to prevent stress on the system. Use appropriate tools and follow manufacturer guidelines for tightening. In welded systems, proper heat treatment and cooling are essential for joint integrity. Regular inspection and maintenance of fittings can prevent leaks and system failures. Safety is paramount when working with piping systems. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Be aware of potential hazards like high pressure or temperature. Follow proper lockout-tagout procedures when working on existing systems. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to piping fittings. We've covered the main types, applications, and important considerations. Remember, the right fitting can make all the difference in a piping system's efficiency and safety. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe for more engineering insights. Have questions or experiences with piping fittings? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.